Caribbean, a U.S. military boat strike
has killed 3 people off the coast of a small island just hours before a powerful American aircraft carrier arrived near Venezuela.
Witnesses tell us the target was a fast skiff believed to be ferrying weapons.
Contact closing fast, bearing 189, not Venezuelan.
This is the trawler San Mateo.
We need assistance now.
Drones at 30 meters, locked, missile away.
Something else on the scope, bigger.
Submarine surfacing, this just got international.
Early this morning, a U.S. patrol vessel struck a small recreational boat off the coast of Baja California. The impact tossed the smaller craft sideways and sent its passengers into the water. 3 people were pulled from the sea unresponsive. What exactly went wrong remains unclear.
This is Bravo Rescue.
Victim located, breathing but unstable, preparing for hoist.
Copy that, Bravo. Get him off before we lose the deck.
Hoist is up, wait! Found it, gone!
We've got him. Returning to the boat now. Stay with me, sailor. You're gonna make it.
All units, maintain perimeter.
Venezuelan authorities condemned the encounter at sea, calling it a dangerous escalation.
What we're seeing is reckless behavior in our sovereign waters. It puts lives at risk.
U.S. officials, however, say the maneuver by their cutter and helicopter was part of routine security operations in the Caribbean, with tempers running.
A full U.S. aircraft carrier strike group is now sailing just off Venezuela's northern coast.
The Pentagon says it's a routine deployment, but its timing has many wondering. From busy fishing ports to the high rises of Caracas, the question lingers: what does Washington intend? Tonight we'll explore the stakes and the
happened. The investigation continues tonight as tensions simmer between the two nations. Each side faces mounting pressure to avoid further escalation. Massive demonstrations calling for restraint have erupted worldwide, while analysts scrutinize every. Analysts say the timing of last night's boat strike, just hours before the carrier group's arrival, could amplify tensions across the region.
You now have an incident at sea and a show of force happening almost simultaneously. That combination raises the risk of miscalculation. Diplomatic
structures, armored columns rolling across dusty crossroads, fleets carving through contested seas, air power rising over shifting front lines. When the world moves, you want to know. Right now and in full context.